Welcome back. The previous episode, I have completed product review tables. Now we can start the next. Now I want to develop product. Sorry for that. Where why? Okay. Product review. Now write product details. DTA DETAIL. Yes, details. This is product details. Correction the spelling and input. The product has a lot of images, description, color, size, and relationship with the product. Now we write table string image 1 string image 4 is enough. Table description table string color and size. Product ID but great. Now run the migration, working well. And my next table, this is the product diagram. Now I need the product slider. Right, product sliders. SLIDERS sliders. The product sliders. Title, short description, price, image. Title, price, travel, string, price, image. Excellent. Now I need to relationship between the product table and try to create the link up name unsigned big integer product ID with the relationship and timestamp created or updated. Title, short description, price, image, but the product ID must be unique. Run the migration. Select product selected table created successfully. We need to product wishes. Product WISS wishes. Here I just relationship product ID and user ID linked with not the customer ID with the user table. Users table product users. I need change one. I help the AI. I have a extension named Codium. Codium help us to creating lot of tables. Now the another product cards. This is the product card, and first I need to product table string color size QTY quantity and this is the timestamp. Now create the migration. The wishes table and cart table created successfully. I need SSL account, SSL for e-commerce, SSL for e-commerce payment method. Anywhere you can add SSL for the e-commerce and uh, debit card, credit card, Visa card, and others. Now we want to integrate the SSL for the payment integration. It's called payment method integration. Okay. Now try to make SSL commerce accounts. We need to input SSL commerce store ID, store password, currency, store ID, store password. We need to currency, currency, success URL, SUCC, success URL, failed URL or cancel URL, fail when he try to payment the using his card or payment method, but is fail. I get URL where the failing record travel. I need to type in URL, then init URL travel URL. Timestamp no problem. Timestamp is by default working at no problem. Now run the migrated. Now I need to making the invoice table. This is the most important invoice tables. Total VAT payable table string total VAT. Now I need to payable, then customer details, VAT details, table, ship details, I will train ID, null ID, and have the delivery status. Delivery. Delivery status pending process completed. Now I need to payment status table payment status st status, and with the relationship user ID. Great. Here is the last for the table invoice product. Run the migration what the problem nothing. This is the final table invoice products. Now, sorry, product TU CTS products. I delete this spelling mistake. Invoice ID has the relationship between invoice ID, product ID, user ID, and the quantity and price sales. Invoice ID, product ID, here is the invoice ID, product ID, maybe missing. The user must be connected with the user tables. I need the user's ID. Table string table not price sell price. Run the migration. Iterating successfully done. Next episode, I want to build up the relationship every tables. Thanks for watching my video.